Everyone is chasing the next viral AI startup or crypto moonshot. But while they're gambling, a quiet group of people is hitting a 95% success rate doing the stuff you ignore. Today, we're opening the lab files on 6 boring businesses that quietly make millionaires in 2026. No hype, just the numbers. Welcome to the lab. High growth tech is exciting, but the failure rate is over 90%. If you want to build actual wealth, you need to look at the unsexy economy. These are businesses with high barriers to entry, recurring demand, and most importantly, a massive success rate. Let's break down the top 6. Number 1, laundromats. It sounds like a cliche, but the data doesn't lie. Laundromats have an average 5-year success rate of 95%. Why? Because clean clothes are a non-negotiable human need. In 2026, with rising housing costs, fewer people own their own machines. You're looking at an ROI of 20 to 30%. It's a cash-heavy business that runs while you sleep. The lab secret? Buy an existing one. Upgrade the machines to accept card payments and add high-speed Wi-Fi. Number 2, waste management. As long as humans consume, they will create trash. Junk removal is a high-margin business because people aren't just paying for the haul, they're paying for the convenience of disappearing their problems. The 2026 twist? E-waste. Recycling old lithium batteries and tech hardware is a multi-billion-dollar frontier. It's dirty work, but the profit margins are spotless. Number 3, self-storage. This is the ultimate real estate light play. You aren't dealing with tenants, toilets, or leaky roofs. You're renting out air in a metal box. As people move into smaller apartments, they need a place for their stuff. The overhead is incredibly low, usually just one employee or even a fully automated kiosk system. It's a recurring revenue machine with almost zero maintenance. Number 4, commercial cleaning. Notice I didn't say residential. Residential cleaning is a headache. Commercial cleaning is a gold mine. Offices, medical clinics, and warehouses need nightly cleaning by law and safety standards. These are high-ticket recurring contracts. Once you land 3 medical offices, you have a 6-figure business with predictable cash flow. Number 5, pest control. This is recession-proof in its purest form. If you have a termite infestation or a rodent problem, you don't wait for the economy to improve to fix it. You pay whatever it takes immediately. The beauty here is the subscription model. Most customers sign up for quarterly sprays. That is set it and forget it income that grows every single year. Finally, number 6, unmanned retail. This isn't just about soda and chips anymore. In 2026, smart vending is selling everything from electronics to high-end coffee and specialized tools in industrial parks. You can manage 20 machines from your phone, no staff, low rent, and 24/7 sales. It is the closest thing to a money printing machine the lab has ever found. The truth is, the fastest way to become a millionaire isn't to be the smartest person in the room, it's to be the person willing to do the boring work that everyone else is too cool to do. In the next lab report, we're breaking down the exact POV of a $0 to $1 million journey using one of these businesses. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the data. What boring business should we test next? Let me know in the comments.